Want total security on the road? This 3-channel dash cam has you covered front, rear, and inside the car, all in crisp 2.5K resolution. 2.5K/1440p video. Capture high-definition footage for the front, rear, and interior of your car. 3-channel coverage. Record all angles simultaneously, giving you full protection whether you're driving or parked. 3.16-inch IPS screen. View recordings instantly on a bright, wide-angle IPS screen for easy playback. Night vision and G-sensor. Advanced night vision ensures clarity in low light, and the G-sensor locks important footage automatically in case of impact. Parking mode and loop recording. Monitor your car while parked with 24-hour parking mode, and never worry about storage. Loop recording overwrites old clips. A 32 GB memory card is included to get you started. Full 3-channel coverage keeps every angle protected. High-resolution 2.5K video captures clear details day and night. Easy setup with included memory card, ready to go out of the box. Parking mode may need a hardwire kit for continuous operation. Interior camera may raise privacy concerns for some users. Overall, this 3-channel front, rear, and interior dash cam is perfect for drivers who want total visibility, peace of mind, and high-quality recordings. Check out this dash cam on Amazon today. Protect every angle of your drive. Link in the description below.